Should I keep it straight like this? Alice, I know you see it. Is he Jamaican or Nigerian? That man is Liberian. Get ready with me to go to this girl's birthday party while I'm on live on TikTok. That's the only reason the footage looked like this. I do apologize. I thought I was going to keep it on TikTok. But yeah, she got a crush on my boyfriend. But so he says, let him tell it, he did not want her. It's amazing. Alright, so I already moisturized. I had my makeup in my to-go bag thingy anyways, because I was with dude. So we're just gonna, we're going with this. I just got me some Fit Me powder. Alright, so I already moisturized, so let's use my primer. Do I want to use this one? Yeah, we're gonna use this one. We're gonna use the L. I usually just get sweaty in my T-zone areas. Not even sweaty, like moist. It's so nasty. But I stopped rubbing it in. I just started to pat it like this and keep it on top. You are gonna see me talking to the camera because I am responding to the people in the comment section on TikTok. But yeah, she got a crush on him. And I knew that because she was next door at my friend's at the apartment complex. And I ran into her and I was like, yeah, this him. And she said his name. I said, oh, what's T, girl? What's T? And she said, oh, I know him. I said, is that right? Is that right? She said, yeah, they've hung out before. Oh, is that right? Is that right? So I said, all right. She invited me to her birthday party. And it's been months since I found out that they knew each other. No big deal, whatever. Because listen, if a man gonna cheat, he gonna cheat. You can't stop him, okay? I don't really know what to tell y'all for real. If I tell y'all that this girl said that her birthday was starting at 9, this is a Ghanaian girl, right? Step 1, if you're going to an African event, arrive 5 hours late, okay? She said 9 o'clock. She never told me that she changed the time to 11. I get there. She's stirring pasta. You lying. How often do you go live? Wait, what advice do you have for people in situationships? Oh Lord, I don't know, because you know we can always give advice, but we're all gonna stay in a situationship. I mean, sometimes for some of us that's like strong enough to just leave when things are not working out right, but then there are other times it's like, oh, I see the possibilities in someone, so you keep going with that situationship till you hate him. Because I have blue right here, that means I mean gel. Yeah, until you hate them, so then you end up like me. You just keep going back sometimes, because sometimes I'm gonna leave, but then there are other times when it's like, damn, I wish it would turn into something, but that wish is not gonna come true, because if that man didn't want you from jump, I promise it's not going to change. Like, my dude asked me out in a month and some change. That was it. Then I had situationships that lasted for like a year, please. But I let my guy know, you cannot waste. I'm not going to allow you to waste a quarter of my life. We're not doing this for 3 months and then you decide, oh, I like the idea of you, but not you, so I'm gonna leave. Baby, bye. I'm gonna give y'all the little story time with this video. So I do my little blushy blush right here, right? Anyways, like I was saying, she told us to come with our bellies empty. Y'all, I didn't even have a piece of ice to chew on that day. I said, oh, I'm going to a Ghanaian birthday party. We're gonna have jollof rice. We're gonna have a goose. We're gonna have all of it, baby. I don't care what it is. Just give it to me. I get there, she's stirring up pasta. Pissed wasn't the word. Because I said, first of all, why are you not dressed? She said, hey girl, the rest of my friends are coming and they're gonna be bringing the juice and the I said, is that right? So all I could do, me and my friend, we on our phones trying to find us a little spot, get some McDonald's fries or something, because you told us to bring our belly. So that's what we did. When I tell you we stood around Remember, I saw the girl. I got there after 9 something, still a little bit late. She said, okay, I'm going to go upstairs and get ready. That was at maybe 11 something. Y'all know she did not come back down until after 1 a.m. After 1 a.m. the next day, girl, this is not even your birthday no more. I am leaving. I am going home. This is not going to work. I'm sitting there. I done made some friends. I was the first one to eat. Everyone's standing around looking at some chicken leg that was being made. So I said, hello, if I wait on this girl all day, my most drop down on dead. And that's not going to happen. So, yeah, I excused myself and I went and got some food. Then everybody come in line. I said, oh, y'all was waiting for somebody to come get some food? Oh, baby, I would have been up here a long time ago. Pay attention, because I'm going to do it 2 times and 2 times alone. Let's see if a mirror is on the back of this. It is. I do it like this. Get it right in the middle. Then you look down and you just stick it on there. You see? You just stick it on there. Like this, like that. Then you just press it together. And later when I'm taking it off, I just put some oil on it. See? It looks like I got nothing on, right? Not to worry, it's there. Let's put it on this side. Now I'm going back up because my back's hurting. Now let's get back to the fact that these people are waiting on somebody to get up and go get some food while they belly tied up like some shoelaces. So I did the honor. But I was not about to hold the bottom of my belly no more. Belly was tied up like some shoelaces. What are you talking about? I was starving. So anyways, I got my couple rounds and she finally showed up after 1 a.m. I promise you, it probably was like 2 a.m. Not gonna lie to you. And people were still coming at that time. I said, there's no way. So everybody else got the memo to come after midnight but me. So, yeah, I ate and my friend and I, we left. I just gave her a hug and I left. But it's no hard feelings. She's cool people. Y'all look like I got waves. Do I use mascara? I'm going to slap some on there. I'm going to slap some on there. So look. Hold on. The makeup's not done right here. But let's put my hair on, okay? Let's put my hair on. So it's this clip-in thing. You just wrap it around. I don't know, man. I think it's 30 inches. But so this is my little ponytail. Let me tuck it away real quick. I'm really serving in my YouTube camera. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. Okay, how am I going to do this? I'm just doing it like this. I'm really on here acting like I don't know how to do hair, y'all. I know how to do hair. I promise. But of course my dude did not go. I don't care if you didn't like her, you're not going. I am though. And I enjoyed myself for the most part. I tell you what, them Nigerians laid on you hard. The flirting. When I said, this man said, look at the moon. There is no sun, there is no moon, there is nothing without you, eh? You are beautiful. See, I am Yoruba man. I'm not Igbo man. I tell the truth. I want you to be my wife, my girl. Literally, I have the recording of this man. He told me bye so many times. I said, hello. Later. Anyways, y'all, watch me get ready. I did not do the most, and I'm glad I did not dress up too much because I would have been mad to waste an outfit. But yeah, just tell me what look you liked or preferred. Did you like the ponytail? Do you like the hair that I actually put on? That's my quick little go-to. So yeah, just watch me, get ready with me, and then I have other videos coming. She likes him. She likes him bad too, but shit, he must have been doing something for her to think that he can like her, that she can like him. Let me know if I look crazy. So I'm taking the piece and I'm wrapping it. My friend suggested this hairdo. All right, let's see what it looks like right now. Let me know, should I go ahead and should I do the plait, or should I leave it alone like this? Hold on. Should I leave it alone like this? Is it giving stiff? So y'all know I got it for like $10. Maybe it's 20, I don't know. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. Is it giving? What should I do, y'all? Should I plait it? No. Should I keep it straight like this? Alex, I know you see it. Is he Jamaican or Nigerian? That man is Liberian. Is it looking thin, y'all? It's looking thin. Let's see, because I don't know if I want it to be tight plait or a loose plait. Yeah, I was not messing with this plait. No, no, no. Y'all not finna talk about me. All right, so I'm pretty sure it's at her family's house. So let me put it on. All right, y'all, so I ended up changing it a little bit. So this is what it looks like. Something slight, not too much, nothing too much. I was just, you know, just giving my regular face. And a little dressy dress, not too much for me to be sitting around waiting hours on you.